Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Maimo Watch R, and today I'm going to show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop touching your screen and pressing any of the buttons. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now let's scroll down through the menu and look for the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called display and brightness. Select it, and here we have the screen timeout. Tap on it, and as you can see, we have this option time settings or time setting. You can tap on it, and here we have duration list. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and 20 seconds. I recommend something like 10 seconds because it's a nice sweet spot between the short one and the long one, but you can also select something you like. Be aware though, the longer period of time will use more battery life because the screen will stay on for longer, of course. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. I selected 10 seconds, so my screen should stay on for 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds of inactivity, it will turn off to save the battery life. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.